It's raining.
It is. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Ooh.
This is a ride.
Yep, very good. Nice choice. She does better at the bigger heights.
Yeah.
So you're kind of like forced.
Yeah. No, it's like you have to force it to take more seriously.
Well, good job.
Good decision.
It's okay. You know he doesn't like that. Don't touch the fence.
I'm just trying to.
Press. Voice. Now he's like, wee! And you might get the 4 on this one now. Because he's coming in.
Slow down, Ellen. Make it good. Come on, girl. Okay.
Oh.
Whoa!
Now use your voice. Oh. That's why we didn't do the 4s. That's why